up, guys? D&D here. It is officially summer now. I got my Mexican merch on. Hispanic merch.
Guys.
Spaniard merch.
Guys.
Actually, it is Mexican because that is
Hispanic merch.
Mexico that says.
Anyways, it is officially summer, guys. We are going to be destroying this microwave today. It is going to be awesome.
This out of the wall.
Wow.
Okay, let's see. On this show, does it?
Hey, get back in, get back, hey, get him. Anyways, guys, hope you all are having a wonderful day. Today we're gonna be blowing up this microwave. We got sledgehammers, we got firecrackers, we have bombs, we have C4, we have military cannons and tanks.
Don't give away too much.
We have hired the FBI and federal government agency. We've got a cake, just kidding. He's gonna go ahead and put this lid back on.
Fan Wizard Man.
Okay. Now, I watched the YouTube DIY channel, and I think this might work, okay?
5-minute crafts right here. Yeah, that's how you do it. Hey, we put the phone inside.
Hey, look, the thing came out. Okay.
Oh, look, wow.
Okay, let's see here. Oh, my goodness gracious.
Yeah, just come on and
There
hook
you
this
go.
on.
We're gonna microwave you.
Yeah, just close it. There, it's in. Hey! Just can't. It's not plugged in. You can't do that.
Sledgehammer shot.
It doesn't work. What?
Is it in there?
I don't really want to put it in there and then hit it with a sledgehammer. Dude, what are you doing? Chill. Whoa, savage, bro, dude. Watch it. I'm gonna get my merch all messed up. Dude, chill, bro. What did this lid ever do to you? Wait, we're not doing that yet. Alright guys, we got our tools, we got our Roughneck, what is this thing called?
Wait, Roughneck?
Our Roughneck Olympia.
We have our Gorilla Bar trademark. Please sponsor us.
And last,
Okay.
we
Or
have
two.
our sledgehammer. Yeah,
I'll pry it open and you'll smash.
okay. Yeah, I'm good at smashing.
Yeah.
Can I smash this too?
Okay, I got it open.
In our face. Oh,
There you go.
got it, nice.
Smash. Wow.
You missed.
You missed it. Come on, you can do it. One hand. Do it. Oh wait, you're almost there, man. Come on. Yeah, you did it.
No! This is never enough!
Okay.
Wait a second.
No!
Watch out.
No! Get upside down!
Okay, ready? Is it ready to burn?
Can I smash this?
Hey, no. One last good hit with the mighty sledgehammer, boys. Let's go! No, not the crowbar, the sledgehammer.
Hey.
Crowbar's weak.
Or maybe you're just being an idiot.
That's all I wanted, you know?
Okay. As you see, we have a mission objective completed.
We've destroyed this monkey. All right, guys, right before we burn this thing and blow it up, we got to tell you about our summer schedule. So, what we're doing this summer, Ethan, our boy,
Oh, I'm going to my grandma's house.
he's going to his grandma's house because why not? I mean, it's grandma's.
I'm gonna get really
She makes good food. She fattens man up.
Won't let me stop eating. I'm serious, dude.
Anyways, so we have lots of
banger videos
coming out soon, so stay tuned for that.
Banger. Shut up. You know, like a gun.
So what we're gonna try to do this summer, since he's gonna be gone, we're gonna try to film some videos beforehand, maybe meet up a few times in the middle of the summer, because I have a summer job, I'm gonna be doing some construction stuff, so we won't be able to post as much. We're gonna try to go once a week. If we can't, it'll be every 2 weeks. But after we get back, it'll be full on every 4 or 5 days.
Hey.
Heavy, boys.
And when we get back from summer, we'll have a lot more money from our summer jobs, and we'll be able to do way crazier challenges.
Like a pool of... like acting like you're someone's house.
Oh yeah, remember the challenge?
Ding dong with toilet.
Remember when you go up to a random person and... Remember that?
Yeah, yeah.
That was funny. That was
Yeah, so stay tuned for that. Drop a like, share this video with everyone. Tell them about our channel. We would love the support. Anyways, let's go get burning and blowing things up.
Okay, let's get the gasoline. We have on spill.
That's
On, oh wait.
That's his. No, that's his lips.
Lips
on.
Lips on.
Lips on.
Lips on. You put your lips on. That's what it's made for.
Oh, sorry.
Michael, is there something you need to tell us?
No. No.
Old ladies.
Whoa. Why is that gate opening over there?
Whoa, Casper. Wait, that seriously just.
It just randomly started opening, like for no reason.
Okay, why is it still open?
Okay, boy, let's clear out the area. Come on. Get all the tools out of the way.
You can see that. We're still getting juices, bro.
Hey. We're gonna shove it like, oh yeah, there you go.
Yeah, remember what happened last time, Ethan?
No!
Only lighter fluid.
Oh yeah, I remember last time. That happened.
It's just my engine oil.
Wait, engine. Dude, that's even more worse. Right?
More worse? Wait, is that
Right? Isn't that worse?
No fuel.
Is it okay to blow the stuff? You dad? Whoa, wait. Did you drink that?
What are you talking about?
Wait. I thought I saw you drink that. What? It wasn't on camera. I'm pretty sure I saw you drink that. But...
I didn't drink it.
Oh, okay.
Hey, man.
Dude, I'm pretty sure you're trying to drink this.
What's
Wait,
your
let me
deal,
see.
man? Wait, bottle flip challenge.
Oh, that failed.
It
Dude, can
landed.
you wait, dude, can you like edit that in for post? Can you like edit in for plans? Go on, man, I need this.
Oh yeah, sure.
Okay. Oh,
Dude, you
man, that
failed.
sucked. Oh,
Dude, how'd you-
Oh,
Wait, what?
look, I won.
Wait, what?
Yeah.
What? No. Those did not land.
Yeah, they did.
You know what?
Please, man, no. Not my snowman. No, this is just like the beat. Why'd you smash that, dude?
I didn't smash it. What are you talking about? It's right
Bro.
here. What the heck?
You.
No, dude. Oh my goodness, dude, you're so stupid. Anyways, guys.
Bro.
So,
Stay right.
gonna use a little bit of. Let's get this nice.
Dude, I got something.
Oh, dude, the fire's dripping off.
Yes, look. Get that view right there.
Dripping fire.
Oh, let's see what happens to this.
This is so dangerous.
Dude, we're gonna get demonetized for this.
What?
No, it's going that way. The bottle fell out. What's wrong with you,
This
man?
thing's on fire. Dude, the whole inside's on fire. Wait. Move the top. Move the top off the microwave. Move the top. Yes, the battery. The huge battery.
Yo, the cord.
Ugh.
Make some shade for this thing.
Can you see it?
We should have got lighter fluid. This will be way cooler with lighter fluid. Go get we need lighter
I
fluid.
don't have any lighter fluid. Proof my dad didn't make us. Is there anything else flammable we have?
Yeah.
Bug spray.
Oh, this is so cool. With everybody.
There is
We want this better. Oh, that is bad.
Wait, I wonder what's gonna happen. Oh, wait. Oh, yeah.
No. No, not like that. No, we're not doing it like that.
Well, let's
No,
do it.
Ethan, stop. Okay.
Ah! Freaking fireman. What? No? Okay.
Oh, black smoke.
We got a good fire though. We got fire control out here. Stupid parents, jeez. Well, guys, we did what you wanted. We lit a microwave on fire. That's what we said we were gonna do. We are not clickbait. Let's go ahead and get it. Leaves. Dude, you should have put those inside. Using our resources.
Burn, microwave! Burn!
Using our resources. Wow. Well, guys, that's how you do it. This is very hot fire. It's almost as hot as me. I'm just kidding. I'm not hot. I'm weird.
Free!
Smart move, Rick.
Fire. Operation Get the Hose. You're not gonna fit. They're not gonna fit. Get the hose. Guys, go. You got a fireman here. Go.
Okay!
Good day.
Oh, God.
Wow.
I'm the worst fireman in the world. Okay, ready?
No, it's getting out of control. Let's go. That is so pitiful. Go. Drive. Go.
What? I'm dragging it.
Yeah. Oh, that's a wipeout.
Hey! Fireman photos.
Thanks so much for watching, guys. You guys are our true men, women of all equilateral sizes,
Angles.
shapes. Thanks for watching to the end. We love you. Just kidding, I only love one of you. I'm just kidding, that's weird. We love all of you. Thanks for watching, and until next time.